Morning, 9:17 a.m. I'm T-Speaker222 with Dogecoin and you. I wanted to read this article about Ethereum. Ethereum reaches new resistance line. Here's what to expect. And then we're going to go into the Ethereum, Dogecoin, and likely Shiba chart. So Ethereum is finally reaching one of the first resistance lines on the chart that acts as a barrier for assets in the uptrend and downtrend. Besides reaching the resistance, Ethereum could be set for another rally according to a variety of technical indicators. Third time is not a charm. Since the beginning of May, Ethereum had tested the 21-day moving average 3 times and failed to break through due to a variety of factors, including outflows of funds from the cryptocurrency market and increased investment risk. As for now, Ethereum is getting ready for another test that would be the 4th in the last 2 months. Such a high number of tests of one resistance could indicate that the bulls are yet unable to push Ethereum higher because of the lack of inflows on the market. Some metrics suggest that downtrend is over. The relative strength index on the daily chart is one of those indicators that hint at a reversal of an Ethereum. According to the divergence we saw previously, the downtrend on Ethereum could be over, and what we see now is a consolidation before the recovery rally. Another indicator that speaks in the favor of an upcoming retrace is the volume profile that shows a notable fading of the current trend as the daily trading volume on Kraken exchange hits 13,000 Ethereum compared to the average of 30,000 Ethereum. So to me, this seems like a bull trap. We're losing volume, and we're going to go into the Ethereum chart because I feel like we're in a bull trap. I think a lot of people are thinking we're about to have a rally and we're about to have a bottom reach and we're about to have a reversal, but these are bear market bounces. That's all these are, bear market rallies. A lot of short coverings, a lot of things going on. So on shorter time frames, Ethereum has already broken through numerous resistance lines, including 50 EMA on the 4-hour time frame. The successful passage through shorter term resistance is one of the first signs of an upcoming long-term reversal. And we're not saying we're getting close to a reversal. We're saying that we might have to, I think we have to go down farther still before we ultimately call it a bottom. At press time, Ethereum is changing hands at 1,130, which is, so now let's get into the charts. So we've got Ethereum at 1,141, so it's changing hands about $12 more than where we were at. I was looking for a targeted move, something like this, and then if we get rejected by the 20-day this morning, either we come down here and make this W reversal, the bullish garland, or we come way down here to the targeted move of 552. So a lot of people saying all the stuff that's happening. I find it hard to believe that we're just going to be bullish now for forever. That the bottom's in with all the inflation, with everything that's going on in the economy. I find it highly speculative that people are saying this. To me, we're in nothing more than a bearish continuation pattern, also known as a bear flag, also known as an ascending triangle in my opinion. You can see the pattern taking fold, and I played it out last night before this last part came back up. And I'm saying if it hits the 20-day and comes down like this, we've got two scenarios. We come down to 557 on the continuation with the technical targeted move, or we get held up around, what is this right here? 771, and we create the bullish Gartley, and we pull up. I would prefer to create a bullish Gartley so we know a bottom is in. If we pull up from here, there's no bottom. It's a bearish Gartley. So anybody who says that this would be the bottom is full of shit. They don't understand technical analysis. This is a bearish Gartley that's formed if we were to pull up. I'm playing for the bullish Gartley or the breakdown of the bearish continuation pattern down to 557. It's neither or, 771 or 557. I don't see it going way up. I could see it come to 1400. This bearish continuation pattern isn't completely filled out yet. So that's how you can get the volatile swings up. But that's what I see. Matic, same thing. Matic stuck between a zone. We've got top end resistance, as you can see. We've got the support down at 36 cents approximately. And this, as this goes on, this will eventually meet down here and this pattern will fill out. So again, getting rejected here at this level, came back down to support. We fell underneath it. Now we got to know, are we using the 20 days resistance or support? We're not going to know that until this pattern plays out a little bit more. Like I said, if we break up 59.5 cents, if we break down, the immediate support right here is 35.2. So that's a huge drop for Matic. If we do drop down, then we've got Shiba. We're at, again, all these are hitting their resistance. Look at this in the descending triangle in the daily time frame. You're basically at a beautiful spot to buy on Shiba. You know, you're looking for at least 1086, but you're right within the area. If we fail the 20-day, that's where we have this big impulse move back down to 641. We're at the top end, guys. There's no choice but to come back down if we fail this. If we break up, we're looking at a push to the 200-day at 1923. It's that simple, and that's a almost 100% move. But that's if we clear these levels of resistance. Litecoin, we're in the descending triangle of the much bigger pattern, but in the short term, we're still in this descending triangle pattern. We still haven't broke down 48.45, and we have top end resistance up here at the 20-day at 53.03. So I'd be looking at 53.03 for top end. If we break down past 47.32, then we're going to come down here and try to hit this $40.26 finally. It's a very volatile swing if we do come down there. And then I'm going to end it with Dogecoin. Dogecoin, another one that's at this top end resistance. We got rejected up here at 0.6933. Right now we're at 0.6820 with the push possibly to 0.6956. If we break down here our first support, if we lose the 20-day, we come down to 5.763 in this pattern, in this projected pattern. Obviously, there's little 30-minute areas where we could possibly hit, but they're all in this range. So if we break down past this area, we're very bearish. Make sure to hit that like button, consider subscribing, and share this far and wide on social media.